Welcome to the Dr. How channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you 4 underrated affiliate networks you're probably missing. Whether you're just getting started or looking to boost your earnings, these hidden gems might be exactly what you need. Let's go. Number 4, Temu Affiliate. Pros: high commissions, especially on new user orders. Fast-growing platform, so there's a lot of buzz and potential traffic. Offers tons of cheap trending products, making them easier to promote. Cons: mostly low-ticket items, so even with high percentages, the earnings per sale can be small. Product quality and shipping speed can be inconsistent, which may affect trust. Number 3, mylead.global. Pros: massive variety of affiliate programs in niches like adult, finance, and e-commerce. Smartlinks and tools for beginners to help match the best offers. Global reach with offers in multiple countries and languages. Cons: interface and dashboard can feel overwhelming at first. Payouts may be slower than in some other networks. Some offers have strict traffic requirements. Number 2, fireads.org. Pros: Polish-based network with global offers, great for Eastern European traffic. Simple layout, beginner-friendly interface. Low payout threshold, good for small affiliates. Cons: selection is not as broad as international giants. Some offers are low-paying compared to competitors. Limited reputation outside of Europe, so not ideal for big affiliate brands. And finally, number 1, Conversand.com. Pros: high-converting smart link technology. Great for monetizing unknown or mixed traffic. Strong in dating, sweepstakes, and mobile offers. Detailed stats and real-time reporting tools. Cons: focused on specific verticals, so not for everyone. Approval can be strict. They tend to work with more experienced affiliates. May require a chat or onboarding call before activating the account. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff, real-talk videos on making money online. And hey, drop a comment below if you've tried any of these networks, or if you've got a secret one I should check out next.